Do you remember the pronoun en? Yes, we have already learned the pronoun en. Now we are going to do a small exercise to see how well we remember to use the pronoun en. Remplacer les mots soulignés. Replace the underlined words par les pronoms en by using the pronoun en. So it is a very simple exercise. It's the simplest among what we have learned. We are only going to replace the underlined words using en. And where do we place en? We place it before the verb. That is all you have to remember. Now, in the first sentence, what is the verb here? It is verb. So, before the verb, we place en. Il, on, v. And now we are replacing these words. So, these words do not have to be repeated. Instead of this, we are using en. So, we are replacing it. So, he wants some milk. He wants, this is similar to it, like I told you. Now, can we do the next three sentences? Very simple. Which is the verb in this sentence? It is acheter. So, L and en comes before the verb. Elles ont acheté. Very simple. So, instead of the underlined words, we are using the pronoun en. The third sentence, tu prépares. Now here, the verb is préparer. So, we use en before préparer. Tu en préparer. So, let us do the last sentence. Vous achetez du fromage. Now, the verb here is acheter and the words to be replaced are du fromage. So, we write vous en achetez. So, I hope you understood the use of the pronoun en. We have already learnt this. This was just to remind you of what we have already learned. So, I hope you understood the pronoun en very well.